Welcome to World History in Short Videos, the channel that brings you the most interesting stories from the past. In this video, we will explore the history of typewriters and how they revolutionized communication. Typewriters were invented in the early 19th century and quickly became a popular writing tool. The first commercially successful typewriter was created by Christopher Latham Sholes in 1868. However, the road to the modern typewriter was a long and bumpy one, with many inventors and designers contributing to its development. One of the first typewriters, the writing ball, was created by Danish inventor Rasmus Malling Hansen in 1865. This early prototype used a spherical surface with letter keys attached to it, and the user had to rotate the ball to select each letter. While the writing ball never became a commercial success, it laid the groundwork for future typewriter designs. It wasn't until the 1870s that typewriters became widely used in business and administration. At first, typewriters were expensive and only used by professional writers, journalists, and businessmen. But as the technology improved and manufacturing costs decreased, typewriters became more affordable and accessible to the general public. One of the most important developments in typewriter technology was the creation of the QWERTY keyboard layout. This layout, which is still used on most keyboards today, was designed to prevent jamming by separating commonly used letter pairs. While there have been other keyboard layouts designed over the years, the QWERTY layout remains the standard. Typewriters also played an important role in social and cultural history. They were used by suffragettes to create pamphlets and spread their message of women's rights. In fact, the first typewritten manuscript of Jane Austen's novel, Persuasion, was produced on a typewriter. During the 20th century, typewriters became an integral part of popular culture. They were featured in movies, TV shows, and literature, and became a symbol of productivity and efficiency. In the United States, typewriters were particularly popular with businesses and government agencies, and many people had to pass typing tests to get certain jobs. However, the popularity of typewriters began to decline with the rise of personal computers and word processors in the 1980s. The first commercially successful personal computer, the Apple II, was released in 1977 and quickly became a game changer. As computers became more affordable and accessible, many people switched from typewriters to word processors. Today, typewriters are mostly used by collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate their vintage design and mechanical workings. Some writers still prefer to use typewriters for their tactile feel and lack of distractions, and many people enjoy the unique sound and rhythm of typing on a typewriter. Despite their decline in popularity, typewriters remain an important part of history and continue to inspire writers and creatives around the world. From the early prototypes to the classic designs of the mid-20th century, typewriters represent a bygone era of communication and creativity. Thank you for watching this video on the history of typewriters. We hope you enjoyed learning about this fascinating piece of technology and its impact on communication and culture. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories from the past.